In this video, I'll show you how to screen record on your iPhone 16, 16 Plus, Pro and Pro Max with sound. So let's get started. It's quite easy. So the first thing you need to do is to drag down from the top right corner. So we have Control Center appearing. Usually it looks like this. Once you are in Control Center, you need to find this screen recording button. You see, it's like two circles. If you do not see it, don't worry, you can always add it by clicking this plus icon on the top left corner, then add control, and over here you see screen recording, tap on it. If you did this, what's nice is that you can make this button large. So if you're using this feature often, it will be easy for you to access it. So here I have two of them, they do the same thing. Alright, now we need to long press on this button, do not simply click on it. Now you're going to see on the bottom of the screen, microphone off. If you want to record with your mic, so if you're recording a tutorial for somebody, or if you want to add comments over your screen recording, tap on the mic and it will become red. This means that the mic will record everything you say, everything that is around you. And over here, you need simply to check where do you want your screen recording to go. In my case, it's in my pictures, in my Photos app, the usual way. But you can choose other options depending which app you have and what you intend to do with this screen recording. Then start recording when you're ready. So click on this. It will give you a small countdown, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Now the screen is being recorded. So no matter where I go, okay, over here, let's say I record this app, cool. You have a red dot here just to tell you that you're screen recording, and to stop it, you just have to do the same thing. So drag down, you're in Control Center, tap on screen recording, and this is it. You're going to have recording saved to photo. You can click on it. It will bring you directly to your photos and the screen recording will play, and you'll be able to share social media, email, everything by clicking this small button over here, the square with an arrow. So this is it. It's quite easy. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a comment as well.